All right, this is Road Rage USA in Canada. Let's check it out.
Stay safe.
All right, New Jersey. Oh shit. All right, so looking at this, I would say the Budweiser truck is at fault, just because they swerved so much. Didn't see the blinker because it was burnt out, and they had made a previous right turn, so I did not expect another one. All right, so you can see he's getting mad. Is that the passenger? He's pulling up.
Yeah, why are you in this lane? Oh, no you don't.
He has to make a white turn.
I drive semi-trucks.
Just barely touched, but the car was already damaged, so I didn't report.
All right, do it. Hit me. Do it. Do it. I'm not your... Stop calling me that.
Felt stupid after arguing
No,
with
you're
the
not.
turnaround.
All right, you're fine. Why are you yelling at me? Okay, you don't have to yell at me.
Yeah, I guess the dude with Dashcam, there was no point in arguing. He could have just backed up and gone the other way, but...
No, okay, don't call me... But I wasn't cursing at you. You're fine, all right? And my car's already damaged, so it's fine. But he just... All right, fine.
Situation was quite dumb. Yeah, there was no point. I mean, the Budweiser was at fault,
We're good.
but...
We good. All right, we good.
Because usually those kind of trucks have to do like a wide turn, so it makes sense. Oh, damn. Yeah, that... I don't know what that SUV was trying to do. I was just blocked the truck at the last second before I saw what she wanted me to do. What she wanted me to do. The floor explorer is behind me for a while. Now I have to see switches. Switching lanes. Okay. So I guess it kind of got cut off, I guess. I don't know. Just flashing. What? Yeah, that wasn't really like a cutoff. Pulls up, flips the finger at me. Yeah, that one was confusing. There was no point. What the?
Oh my god!
Did that car just hit her? They opened the door for no reason.
Oh my god! I think someone just hit me?
I think they're all like on the phone or something.
Loud bang, and I think they literally hit me. Did you hear that bang?
Like they rear-ended you?
Did you hear the bang?
Hit and run. Yeah, yeah. I guess they just left. Oh, ooh. So I made it in strap the plywood right away. The right. There we go. We'll go back on that one. Yeah, you can see that it's flapping. Like, well, they did move, but they just got unlucky that it they moved into the direction of it.
Potter World, and now there's a Super Mario World.
Okay. Well, I mean, it'll be cool to... God damn.
Oh, damn.
I had the green light!
Did they have the green light? Oh yeah, I guess to turn right they had the green light. Cause usually, cause that blue car did a U-turn, so I don't know if over here on this side it shows if they can make a U-turn or not. Oh, well, they have a green too. I wonder if there's like it's like a no U-turns type of street.
Well, I mean, it'll be cool to... God damn. Mother... I had the green light!
Oh, the driver's mad. He tries U-turn. Yeah, I guess. He had the right to be mad. And bougie. He just cut off that car. Yeah, I could see what that white truck or white mini SUV is kind of mad. Yep, he avoided the road rage. Yeah, he just sped up. That was like the best thing he could do. What the? He he gave no warning. Like he did. You can tell in the video, but he was. Yeah, he just came out of nowhere. Yeah, that's what I don't know. Yeah, that was it. Texas. Oh, oh!
Video protected.
This is the same video? Oh!
Video protected.
Yeah, he's in shock. He doesn't even know what happened because that car came out of nowhere. The lady's insurance has accepted fault. Street is a 45. I'm okay, just swear. No, yeah, that car that ran the, well, not the light, but it was.
Video
Go back, like the intersection, just came out of nowhere. Where was that car coming from? I'm guessing they were coming from the side. They took a left, so that's why you can't see. And then since these cars are there, that truck, the white car wasn't able to see the actual driver. But then it just came out of nowhere.
Video protected.
Dang. Yeah, like you couldn't even react to it because like you couldn't even see it from where he was driving from.
Video protected.
Damn. What the? What just happened? Took some damage from the falling light. I think it's teacher side. Yeah. What happened? Let's go back. Yeah, so oh, they crashed over there and then they hit the pole. I thought the Hyundai just took the pole like by itself. Nah, they like crashed. Let's go back. That's weird from where they're coming from. Oh, I'm back too far back. See, cause what are they doing here? They shouldn't like. I don't get. I guess they're coming from this side, but it doesn't make sense why they're turning from there. And I guess they didn't see the other car and then just hit them. I don't know. I mean, you gotta check both ways, I guess. Damn. Ooh. Why are they going so fast? I think she was over 100. By the way, it was my wife driving. She was going to work. She called me after immediately. Shocked, panicked. I calmed her down. I got the trade. She was able to share the video.
What the?
Yeah, that car was zooming.
What?
Boom. Oh damn. Oh. Yeah, see with semi trucks like that, they can't see like if they're too close, they can't see, and like since they're so high up. So like if they were like tailgating basically the person with the dash cam, they wouldn't be able to see him. That cut him off. Yeah, he just never saw him. The worst part was is a no fault providence. I couldn't even sue him for anything. Oh, this is Canada, so I don't know. I don't know how it works over there. Damn. Oh yeah, that car's going in. Oh. Damn, why are they up so close? Damn, he's in a hurry. Damn. Flipping him off.
What is your problem?
Damn. He's otherwise very calm, but he keeps shaking his head like he's upset and occasionally flips me off. Flips me off again. Damn. Probably has to go wash dishes or something. Damn. Nah, he has to be on his way home to go wash some dishes or something. He forgot to wash them dishes. Oh. I don't think they hit. I don't think they crashed. Oh, he's just swerving. Oh, is that a cop? Two jokers going at it for a while, and a bowhead cop does nothing. The cop didn't do anything? Well, I mean, he must have not been paying attention. He wasn't looking at him, I guess. He was swerving. Oh, that dude cut off the cop. That wasn't really road rage, but damn. Oh, he's going on the wrong. Oh, he was on the wrong side. I seen truck come from the opposite side down and out of the center ditch and fly down towards me, driving. Pole flipping and landing in the woods, probably drunk. They were okay. Damn. Guy breaks me, tries to keep me trapped in. Notice we're 22 when he hits the brakes, then it coasts to 70, then decides to speed back up to 88. It's raining, so there's no point in me going 82. I ain't gonna lie. You're driving. I mean, I guess. In the rain? I mean, at that point, just let him by. That was weird. Oh, that was the end of the video. See you on the next one.